Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to glide in Gotham Knights. Gliding is a fantastic way to navigate the vast urban landscape of Gotham City, offering both speed and a unique perspective. Only two of our four heroes, Nightwing and Batgirl, possess this aerial ability, making them excellent choices for covering long distances quickly. Mastering the glide will significantly enhance your gameplay, allowing you to surprise enemies or escape dangerous situations with ease. It's a core traversal mechanic you'll want to perfect. Initiating a glide is quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. First, find a suitable high vantage point, like a rooftop or a tall structure. Then, simply jump off and while in midair, press your designated glide button. For many players, this means pressing the jump button a second time. Once airborne, subtle adjustments to your camera and character angle will help you maintain altitude and control your direction, making your flight smooth and efficient. Beyond basic gliding, there are advanced techniques to master. For instance, you can perform a dive bomb by angling your character downwards, rapidly increasing your speed. Then, by pulling up, you can convert that momentum into extra altitude, extending your glide distance considerably. This allows for much longer and more dynamic flights across the city. Remember to practice these maneuvers to truly become a master of the skies above Gotham. To truly maximize your gliding efficiency, always aim for the highest possible starting points. This gives you the most airtime and allows you to cover vast distances. Don't forget to seamlessly integrate gliding with other traversal tools, such as the grappling hook, to maintain momentum and reach new areas. Consistent practice is key. The more you glide, the more intuitive your aerial control will become, making you a true master of Gotham's skies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.